Ever get that feeling like when a client just looks at you and they're completely lost?
Oh, yeah.
You're
Can't
in the
do
middle
that.
of an Acumatica implementation,
Yeah.
and they're staring at the screen, totally confused by what MRP is doing.
Yeah.
They've got this massive order coming in, like 5,000 units or something, and their inventory is showing zero.
Yep. I've seen that happen more times than I can count.
It's a real head scratcher, right? Well, we're diving into that very scenario today.
Love it.
We've got an awesome story about a guy named Salman, who's a total Acumatica rock star.
Mm.
5 years of experience under his belt, knows the system inside and out. He specializes in reports, inquiries, all those details that really make a difference.
Oh, yeah. Salman knows his stuff.
And get this, he works with Tiana Solutions.
The biggest Acumatica partner out there.
That's right, so you know he's got a solid team behind him.
Yeah, for sure.
So let's rewind back to Selma's client. They're freaking out about this 5,000 unit order, right?
Mhm.
Zero stock on hand. What did Salman do to walk them through this?
So he basically showed them the magic of MRP, right?
Like how it really works?
Yeah,
It's not just about what you have in stock right now.
right. It's looking ahead.
It's constantly looking at future demand. It analyzes all your sales orders, forecasts, even those minimum stock levels you've set up.
Gotcha. So it saw this huge order coming in and knew there was a problem.
Exactly.
Mm.
And because there was nothing in stock, it throws up a big red flag on the screen, essentially saying, hey, we need to buy these items right now.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's a pretty clear signal then, huh?
It is, it is. And in just a few clicks, Salman helped them generate a purchase order for the whole 5,000 units, making sure to factor in lead times, and bam,
Problem solved.
problem solved.
Wow. Now, what if the vendor had like a super long lead time? Would MRP have caught that?
That's where things get really interesting. You can set up these safety stock levels for your most important items.
Oh, like a buffer.
Exactly.
Mm.
So even if a vendor's running late, you've got some breathing room, you won't completely run out of stock. So MRP really does have your back in these tricky situations. That's pretty reassuring for businesses.
I bet it.
So if there are any Acumatica consultants listening who are hitting a wall with MRP or any other part of the system,
Yeah.
don't struggle in silence. Reach out to the experts.
Exactly.
Tiana Solutions have a whole team of people like Salman who just live and breathe Acumatica.
Absolutely. They can help you optimize your implementations, troubleshoot anything. Make those clients happy. Their number is 678-910-2774.
Give them a shout. And as you keep working with Acumatica, keep this in mind. What are some of those challenges you've run into? Because there's always a solution out there. Sometimes all you need is a fresh perspective.
All right.
That's what we try to bring on this show.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Until next time.
See you then.